The new 2025 BMW R 1300 GS Adventure makes some big waves, with various new optional technological advances, including a fully automatic transmission, adaptive ride height, and active cruise control. The new GS Adventure has a completely new body, chassis, and luggage compartment. The new BMW has a completely redesigned 1,300 cubic centimeters boxer engine. This engine comes with a new gearbox and camshaft. Maximum engine power is 145 horsepower at 7,750 RPM and maximum torque is 149 Nm at 6,500 RPM. The new engine is 4 kilograms lighter than the previous engine, and the entire powertrain weighs 6 kilograms less. The 6-speed gearbox is new, and has an automatic gearshift support system. The transmission is now located under the engine, a new arrangement that reduces overall length, and improves weight balance as the transmission shafts are now significantly shorter. This is by far the most powerful BMW boxer engine ever produced in series production. The weight of a fully fueled BMW is 268 kilograms. The permitted gross weight is 485 kilograms. The fuel tank is made of aluminum and holds 30 liters of fuel. The engine is equipped with electronics that have 4 standard riding modes, as well as the optional Riding Modes Pro package, which has 3 additional modes. The standard riding modes are Rain, Road, Eco and Enduro. Additional modes, Dynamic, Dynamic Pro and Enduro Pro. Electronic rider aids include cornering-aware traction control, engine compression braking, and ABS, as well as hill start control. Additional driver assistance equipment includes adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and rear collision warning. The GS's 6.5-inch full-color display gives the rider access to vehicle and connectivity functions. An additional sports screen provides performance information like lean angle, traction, and braking behavior, as well as a sport rev counter and gear indicator. A smartphone charging compartment is standard. It has a USB power port and a 12-volt socket. The chassis consists of a compact sheet metal shell main frame, with a lattice rear frame made of hexagonal extruded aluminum tubes, and forged parts. The subframe was designed to offer comfort for both rider and passenger over long distances, and to support luggage. The GS Adventure comes standard with EVO telelever front suspension, EVO paralever rear suspension, and the latest electronic dynamic suspension control. Adaptive ride height control automatically raises by 30 mm while driving, and lowers when you stop. More clamps, docking elements, and storage space than ever before. The wide selection of bags, luggage, cases and holders allows you to choose the right equipment for your own personal adventure, which can be attached to your bike seamlessly. The top box offers 37 liters of storage, while the side boxes offer a total of 73 liters. The new BMW is available in 4 trim levels: the base racing red variant, with a silver tank and black and red seats. Triple black comes in shades of black with an aluminum fuel tank. The engine guards are black, with silver inserts, while the handlebar, rims, and handguards come in different dark shades. The GS Trophy variant comes in racing blue metallic paint, with solid light white and racing red stripes. The option 719 Karakoram variant comes in Aurelius green metallic matte, with gold-colored anodized rims and handlebar. The price of the new BMW R 1300 GS Adventure starts from €22,335.